to JJ's Corner. Please subscribe to our channel.
What is this? We're gonna open this first. So here is this free, I think it's like a dinosaur set. Babe, come. I need your fingers. Come on, babe. Open it. You're supposed to be opening this box.
Size.
It's one more taped.
Okay, what we got here, big dog?
Don't rip the box. Take off the tape.
Okay.
We gonna buy Daddy a box cutter for
Yeah,
Christmas.
that's what Daddy gotta get a box cutter. Okay, look what we got here.
Christmas gift.
Look what we got here.
Let's open it. Let's open it. Let's see what it is.
Wow! Hey.
Wow. Let me see your face, JJ.
Wow!
Wow. Are you excited? Let me see your excited face. Let me see your excited face. Come back here. Let's see
Junior.
what we got. How do we do this?
Wow.
Open it. Oh, look at all these dinosaurs. Babe, open it up.
Wow,
JJ.
Look at that.
You love dinosaurs. What?
Wow!
Open this, babe.
Little dino mice.
Dino. So look, it's a backpack. How cool. Dinosaurus Worlds. Yeah, more stuff to make a mess for mommy to clean up. No, sir. FYI, people. Yeah, it's the dinosaur thingy.
Okay.
This is pretty cool. This is the Tyrannosaur. What? We're going to have to get a book on dinosaurs to learn the dinosaurs' names. Mommy don't know what they call. That's cool. Put it down. Let's see. Put it down. This is the forest.
Okay. Well, it's a long way.
Yeah, babe.
There we go. There we go.
It's the dinosaur forest.
Just like that. Straight like that. Straighten it out, Junior.
Straighten it, JJ. Hey, fix it. Pull it. There you go.
Straighten it out, man.
Pull it. Pull it all the way out.
A sun.
A sun? Ain't no sun on there.
The clouds in here.
Yeah,
No, that's the
cool.
forest. Where's the dinosaurs? We gotta get the dinosaurs. Let's see how it goes.
How about it, man?
Open it, JJ.
How about it?
Open it. So this gonna go in JJ's room on the floor, so he can make his mess in there. Open it, babe. Help him out.
Okay, bring it here, bring it here, bring it here. Let's see what we got.
You guys, show me your excited face. What's the dinosaurs called? What's that dino show?
We ain't got no proper way to open, so we just, that we
But-
just like that, Just like that, straight
cannot
like
with
that. Bam.
Bam.
Bam!
Ooh, babe, do you know what's that?
Oh,
Is
baby.
that
This is a T-Rex, I think. This is a raptor, a T-Rex. One of
This
them.
is a turtle.
We're gonna Google what they be.
Yeah, we just gonna
This
go
is
with. We just gonna go with.
T-Rex.
It's a T-Rex?
We just
Okay.
gonna go.
What else they got? What's the
think
next
this,
dinosaur?
I think this is a brontosaurus.
Yeah, I think it looked like a brontosaurus.
I
Did you
know.
what that one is?
I know a little bit, Got your own little Jurassic Park here, Nah, I know this is a T-Rex. I already know. That's a T-Rex.
So which one is Godzilla?
Godzilla.
Godzilla and a dinosaur?
I don't know what that is. I don't know what it is. Godzilla is on.
He's a madman.
Dinosaur.
This is a something.
We
like
gonna
that.
get a dinosaur
Whoa,
book. How about
this
that?
is a triceratops.
Yeah. That's
Whoa,
it.
JJ, no.
Yeah, he knows. Whatever he said, bro. Whatever he said.
That's a shame. The 3-year-old know the dinosaurs and we don't.
Hey, man.
That's funny.
We've been out
What's
of-
that, JJ? So we got a little scientist in the house here. What
I'm
else?
gonna open those.
You want to open those? Okay, you open them. Pull it apart right here. Pull it apart.
I don't know what this guy
Rip it.
is.
Rip it. You gotta rip it. Rip it. Where the opening, babe? Just pull it.
Yeah, you gotta,
Pull it.
we don't got no proper way to open it. That's how we just open it, right? That's how we do it.
That's
No
how
proper
we
way to
do.
open it.
That's how we do. We just bust it open.
Look, baby
What is
stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus?
Stegosaurus. Lord have mercy.
Really?
What a-
How old I ain't never heard of that one.
This is That's so funny. I can't.
Hey,
so clearly, JJ loved this because he knows the dinosaurs and we don't. So I guess we're gonna give them an awesome review.
Those are really strong.
Oh my God!
Dang, did
Kind of went over my head.
Open this one.
Like I said, we ain't got no proper way to open it. Just, just do it like this here,
Oh, this is too funny. I can't with y'all.
Okay.
What else dinosaurs you got, JJ? Since you know all the dinosaurs, teach mommy and daddy.
I gotta look that one up, boy.
Oh my
See if
God.
you right.
You like the dinosaurs, JJ?
Too much of
You got your own little forest. It's called Dinosaur's World. I think that's that TV show. What is it called? I can't think of the name. Dinosaurs? No. I don't know. Yes. No. No. It's called Dino something. I don't know. It's some TV show be on there. But anyways.
I ain't never really been in a cartoon, so.
It's not a cartoon. Well, it is a cartoon. Yeah. JJ, what's the dinosaur show called?
Me.
It's not called Me. What is it called? It come on TV.
This is baby.
No, Barney don't even have a channel no more.
Baby.
What dinosaur is that? Is a baby?
Baby.
If you watch the TV show.
What is this? Is this a stegosaurus too?
No, which one he said was a stegosaurus?
Oh, this
What's
is
that one, JJ?
What is the not a flying one? The I think it's a pterodactyl.
Babe.
Was it? Yeah, this right here. Nah, I know this is a pterodactyl. That's the.
I thought you said the other one was a.
Oh yeah.
And the pterodactyl is the flying one, right?
No.
It's the flying one.
Oh,
The pterodactyl is the flying one.
Dinosaurs are fast.
They're fast. Really? You giving us some facts on dinosaurs?
And this is Triceratops.
I thought
Triceratops.
No, Triceratops.
Slowly.
Triceratops
Really?
is. I think that's the one right there.
We're blown away at the fact that our 3-year-old knows about some dinosaurs. When did he learn this?
Yeah.
Oh, this one.
Are you smarter than a
3-year-old.
Yeah, that'd be 4 now.
What's that one?
I think this raptor, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. I don't know.
Raptor.
We still ain't figure out what's Godzilla. What's Godzilla?
Triceratops is
Godzilla. That's what he is.
What? That is not Godzilla, babe. He look like Godzilla though.
Nah, Godzilla.
But that ain't no
bigger.
Godzilla.
It looks like a raptor,
Let me see that. Oh.
What's that one, JJ?
Ah.
What's that movie that be with them dinosaurs?
Jurassic Park.
Yeah, you don't watch Jurassic Park? You gotta watch them. So you can learn the
The
dinosaurs.
only one that be chasing them is the T-Rex, yo. That's the only one I remember. But Godzilla ain't in Jurassic Park.
I know that's a soul movie, but it looks like a dinosaur.
Yeah.
But anyways, so JJ, what else you got? What else type of dinosaurs is this?
Like this.
What is this one? I'm gonna go Google the dinosaurs. How about that? So guys, if you don't know what dinosaurs is, just Google them, cause we can't help you.
Tiny.
Yeah.
Wow.
JJ, you
How
like
about
them?
The second two again.
He's having a blast. You like them? Show
Oh,
us your
rocks.
excited face. Yes, those are rocks. What are the rocks called? Rocks?
2 rocks and those are 1, 2, 3.
Awesome.
5 trees and 2 rocks.
5 trees and 2 rocks. Awesome. And how many dinosaurs do you have? Count them. It's so many.
What we got, man? What we got?
Can we count them?
This is the 2 rocks.
Yeah, but how many?
That's
Okay,
two
let's count the
rocks.
baby dinosaurs. We got 1 here, 2 here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 baby dinosaurs. No, 12 over there. There's 12. One more. Right there, by the rock. Yeah, that's 12.
What a big joint said.
So the big
I mean, the
that's
big
1,
dinosaurs.
2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, and the other one by us.
9. So we got 9 dinosaurs.
9 dinosaurs.
Yeah, well, we gonna Google. You know what we need to do? We gonna go to the Museum of Science. Because somebody told me they got the dinosaurs in there. So we gonna go there and learn the names, right, Daddy?
Yeah.
So Daddy could not call them the wrong thing. Stay tuned for that.
Mommy.
You're a dinosaur. Show me how you raw.
What dinosaur you is?
What type of dinosaur are you, JJ?
Damn.
You're that one? Yeah, we think that's the bad one. That's the bad. You're a what? What type of dinosaur is that one?
That's a machine.
It's a what?
Real estate.
What type of dinosaur are you, JJ?
Rocks.
He said he that type of dinosaur. We're gonna Google that.